we can file all these, group all these together, shift select, drop them into a group, and we can rename this young, and there it is all there. That's kind of cool. And I want to make sure that I may wish to duplicate that again and then merge it, so it depends on how complex you want to get. Again, turn off the as is, turn off that, just got that one there, and I'm going to compress these down. So there's a lot of layers in this, and I'm just going to right click on that, and I'm going to go to merge group, like so. If you've done a good job, you should still have a decent selection of where everything is. If you haven't, you may need to depatch that, but you do need to make sure it doesn't have a background on it for this next step. So once we've done that, we've sort of compressed all the layers down. You may need to jump in and use our dodge and burn tool, and this is particularly good for refining things. Like if you've got a jawline that needs darkening up, you can use this, set to mid-tone shadows or highlights. Drop the exposure down, get yourself a nice soft brush, and you can start, in this case, defining shadows and stuff like that. So you can start trying to push layers in. You can do this earlier on depending on how your image is set up. Also, the dodge tool is going to lighten areas, so if you need to start burning areas out, again, set this accordingly to the areas that you need to do. And you can start lightening things up, but keep it subtle, keep that exposure down. And I would tend to keep it more for trying to blend in areas that maybe just need a little shadow or highlights running across them. So drop that exposure down. So if I wanted to create like a bit of a light across there on the chin, but subtlety.